The KODA Bentham outdoor hanging single pendant light is the perfect addition for your home with a porch or portico. Installation is easy. Turn off the main power at the fuse or circuit breaker. You may also use a non-contact voltage tester to ensure no power is running to the wire. Be sure to wear safety glasses during installation. First, mount the crossbar kit together with the chain holder using the mounting screws. Detach the screw collar from the chain holder. Attach the canopy to the ceiling using the screw collar. Connect the quick chain link to the chain holder. Determine the height you want to hang the fixture down from the ceiling. Use a pair of pliers to twist open the chain link end and remove the unwanted portion of chain. Connect the fixture and the chain with the quick chain link. Determine the length of wires you need and use a wire stripper tool to cut and strip the wires. Then, weave the wires through the chain. Unlock the collar and release the canopy to pass the wires through the hole on the chain holder and the crossbar. Make the following wire connections. Using the provided wire nuts, connect the smooth, hot wire to the hot supply wire, ribbed neutral wire to the neutral supply, and the copper ground to the corresponding ground wire. Put the canopy back up against the ceiling and lock it in place using the collar. Screw in the LED bulb by hand. Mount the lantern housing with the mounting nuts. Finally, mount the lantern bottom cap with mounting bolts. Once installation is finished, turn the breaker back on to send power to the lantern. The KODA Bentham outdoor hanging single pendant light is now ready to illuminate the entryway of your home with its classic Victorian styling.